Hey there, it's Boots Owen here. This is a Zanussi ZWF1432s. I picked it up on Gumtree and the freebies. There doesn't appear to be much wrong with it, but I was told that it doesn't work, and I was told that this start button was dead. So it's gotta be scrapped, really. It's like, sometimes it breaks your heart, these things, that really isn't that much wrong with them, but you know, there'll be a PCB in behind that, and if it's not working, it's not working. If it's not working properly, it doesn't appear to be too bad. It's you know, relatively clean for what it is. It's got the smell of washing on it. It's got a graded product sticker on it, and it had a little label on the back as well to say that someone had looked it over and thought that it was okay. Drain filter's down here. It's got a bit of a dent in it here, and the top is a kind of a gold colour and the bottom's a kind of a silver colour. I don't think that's meant to have happened. I think something discoloured the top of it over time. So looking inside, I've removed the two screws holding the lid on. Just push that back to open it. A little look inside. Well, it's quite a straightforward model. Water comes in to the soap dish, goes down through this hose here into the tub. It's got your pressure switch, it's got your electricity suppressor there. I've removed the cable so there's no power coming into it anymore. It's got a PCB over here, control module I guess, and in here it's got a PCB as well. That looks like to be, yeah, that's your main on-off switch there, sticking out the back. Concrete ballast on the front as a ring, and if I can get a look at this, in here you can see it's got a sealed tub, so there's no fixing in this one. If your bearings are gone, they're gone, and I haven't tested the bearings because of the other reasons I explained on the front. It's not worth testing almost. It looks to be missing some ballast around the back, but I don't know if it's meant to have it or not. It might not be a model with it, it might just be a feature on some of them. Those look like the clips that would hold ballast. There's one up on top there as well. A little bit of light's better. You've got your aluminium pulley. What's unusual about this one is that the motor is dead center on the bottom, and I wonder if that gives it a better loading balance feature or something like that. Like I said, I've disconnected the cables going to the motor as well, and one of the... I didn't do that, that's a bit weird. Someone's pulled off the element cables. I don't think I did that. So someone must have had designs on this. So maybe it wasn't working at all properly before I got it. There's your transport mounting points there and there. It's got shocks in the bottom and a little pump up the front. Really, it's quite a straightforward model, this. There really isn't very much to it. Well, there's a bit of play in that front to back. Let's check it on the other side. It doesn't seem to have any... It doesn't seem to have bad bearings in the usual sense. There's a collar thing got caught in there at the back. Collar stiffener. It doesn't seem to have any of the usual play that you get with bad bearings. Here's another one. Two of them caught in there. Three even. Wow. Lots of shirts must have been washed in this machine. It doesn't have any of the usual play associated with bearings. It does seem to have a bit of front and back play, which might be a sign that something was on the way out. There's a washer in there. Shouldn't really be there. I've done a video on the lint filter on this one as well. We found an underwire from a bra in it, which I haven't seen before, in a washing machine filter. There you go, really isn't much more to it. I wouldn't recommend this one, of course, because of the sealed drum, but it's probably a fine machine if you pick it up for next to near no money. That's how these things go. People aren't too worried about looking inside them anymore, and I guess the companies don't care if you fix them. And you get what you pay for. So, Electrolux, Zanussi, thanks for watching, see you later.